Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and today we have pepper and sausage bolognese. Getting a little hungry around here, and it's time to eat. Just came back from a trip in Tallahassee with a coworker of mine, and we went to a Peruvian restaurant, and they had a huancanilla. How do they say pepper? Huancanilla, Peruvian pepper.
Never heard of it before.
Yeah, we had it at the restaurants. We'll put it how it's really typed over here. But she had a pepper sauce spaghetti, and it looked phenomenal. So I can try that with the techniques and stuff that I know how to do. So I'm gonna make this sausage and pepper bolognese sauce. What do we need for our ingredients? You guys, well, first of all, we have a regular bolognese sauce, so you can try that one if you like. So I'm gonna need some vermouth, dry vermouth to deglaze the pan, pecorino romano that I'm gonna shred, always shred your own, 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, this Chilebrian peppers. Hopefully that comes out in the video. I got 1 tablespoon of that. I got it's a pound and a half combined, but I got 2 hot sausage links and 1 pound of ground sausage, and of course, red peppers. So we'll get situated here. I'll deal with the peppers first, and then we'll start getting everything ready. I dealt with my peppers. You guys will see I sliced them. I broke down the peppers by slicing them off and removing the seeds. Placed it on a baking sheet, coated it with olive oil, put it into the broiler, and then I roasted my peppers. And this is what they look like when they come out. So I got them in the saran wrap now, and I'll start getting ready for our next steps, which I've already peeled my onion, and sorry for making so much noise, I'll just slice my onion. And then I'll go ahead and get my peppers out, and I've covered them up so I can steam them and get rid of the char, because I just wanted to roast the peppers, and all this char will come right off. So I'll do that for all these peppers, and we'll go to our next steps. All I'm gonna do is slice these into slivers. So I'll do that for all these peppers, and we'll be back for our next steps. Now we're off to the races. So I've got my skillet preheated. I'm gonna add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And my goal here is just to soften these veggies up. The peppers already had a little start in the oven, so I'll get the onions going first. And I'll get them all tossed up, softened, and then we'll add the peppers. The onions have been going. I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. If I were to guess, it'd be a teaspoon. And then I'll add my roasted peppers. Could I have bought red peppers roasted? Yeah, but I'm cooking. I'll make it. And I get that incorporated. And let that go for a few minutes, and then we'll add our next ingredients. I'm gonna add in my 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Get that incorporated in there. And my 1 tablespoon of the chili that I said the name earlier. And that's sweet and spicy, not gonna overwhelm the dish at all. And I'll get that incorporated, and then we'll go to our next step. Last and certainly not least is our
garlic.
So I made a little spot for it so I can get it going. Remember, the trick here is to get it fragrant and then incorporate it into the rest of the dish. So you tell me when you smell it over there, and it's already smelling.
Yeah, it smells delicious. Like onion and peppers.
The red peppers, and she's not a fan of peppers. It smells good.
Yes.
You smell the garlic yet?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
So now I'll incorporate that to the rest of the dish.
Smells good.
Smells good. We're getting there, guys. Be right back. And as with some of our Italian dishes, I like to use the vermouth. So I'm gonna probably put, I don't know, a couple of splashes in here. Just to add that. I could do white wine, but I'm not a white wine fan, so I do the vermouth, get that mixed in, let that soak up. And already.
Smells delicious.
Already smells phenomenal.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna drop the heat. This entire time I was cooking over medium. I'm gonna drop the heat now because I'm gonna add in my cream, which is almost done with our sauce here. So I'm gonna add in cream a little bit of time. Incorporate. And look at the color change.
So pretty.
Just gonna leave the heat on simmer for now while I incorporate this cream. Those 2 cups. How's that? Good color so far?
Yeah. And it smells so good.
All right, guys. Using the blender we just used on that pork chili verde, I'm gonna go ahead and get all this into my blender without making a mess. How's that? With no mess. And I'll get this on here, even though I know it's gonna blow up because of the heat. So I'll do blend it. That's done. Vent it a little bit so the steam that's in there from the heat. And look at the color we have. Can you see the color? Mm-hmm. And see how we are with salt.
Good.
Oh, that's gonna be good. So we're on to our next steps. Está bueno. All right, on to our next steps. In the same pot, I'm gonna add in my 2 hot links and my sausage, the mild sausage. And brown that off, break it up, get it crumbled, and I'll add my large shells to the water so everything's done at the same time. I went with the large shells. I want something that's bold enough to hold this flavor or this hefty sauce. So we'll be right back after this is brown, guys. Don't forget to use your special tool from our other videos, the Dominican beans, our chili, and break up all this sausage. Triple M will know to avoid the spicy ones. Coming along. While we're here, almost forgot to add it. I'm only gonna do half a box. I've already salted it, of course. Give it a quick stir. And let that go for 8 or 9 minutes. We want it al dente. Well, that's how we like pasta. Some of us don't like that. So my sausage is all broken up. I'm gonna go ahead and add our sauce, our Bolognese, our red pepper and onion Bolognese to this. And of course, I'll go through that and add with some water and get the rest of that out. But look at the color on that. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Is that not interesting?
Looks good. It smells good too.
So when our pasta's done, we'll incorporate, taste, and add. But while we're here, I told you we had pecorino romano. I'll add that to this sauce now, and more later when I'm done with it to finish. That's a bolognese, thick, and not one tomato used. No tomatoes were harmed in the filming. See you in a few minutes, guys. We are ready to go into this masterpiece. So, just like before, when we did our baked ziti, I'm gonna take a little bit of my sauce and put it in the bottom of my bowl. This is my personal bowl that I'm gonna eat out of. And then I'm gonna take some of my pasta, along with some of the water. And put that in there. Give a little more. Right, Marcus, don't be cheap. And then I'll get a serving spoon to toss this around, and of course add more sauce as needed. That's not enough. And then of course finish with
Some cheese.
some pecorino romano. Can we taste? She makes me stop for thumbnails. Can we taste? Because I didn't even slice the bread. Can we taste? Are we good?
Yeah.
Ah. It looks like bolognese. It's bright orange. The color is beautiful. Let's see what we're working with. The shells are al dente.
Good. Smells good.
Oh. Interesting. The pork chili verde there, this is spicier than that. And it's a lingering heat. It's delicious. Jimmy B, Brandon, Double B. Maybe Brandon will taste some.
Yeah.
This is good.
Okay.
Triple M, you gonna taste some of this?
No, I'm good. It's spicy. I'm good.
Just a.
No. Thank you.
Bye, guys. So we had such great feedback from our smoked pork chili verde video with Double B, Brandon, and of course Alicia. I did this dish. It's really, really, really good. I was actually surprised at how spicy it was. Triple M tasted it. She's over there chewing away like we can't hear her with the microphone right there. But she's chewing away. But what'd you think of the dish?
It was good, but spicy for me. But the flavors are, it's very good.
So go ahead. Everyone said Brandon wasn't shy to eat in front of the camera. Imagine if the camera wasn't there.
This is being Brandon.
Yeah, that's good.
No.
Oh my God.
Is it good? And guess what? Not a tomato was used in that dish.
Really?
Yep.
What makes it work?
You'll have to check out the video. Guys, if you like the video,
Like the video.
comment down below if there's anything you want to make. Subscribe for more, and that's it.
All right, Tempo.
See you next Friday, guys. Don't be shy. Look how much I made. And poor Carolyn's not here.
No, that's just spicy for Carolyn.